Hey, what's up guys, it's the Zombies Noob here, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be talking about a new possible Easter egg step found in the Reddit forum. So, it's found by a guy, I don't know his name, but his Reddit will be in the description. He found different sounds out in the waterfront outside the gym area, and here's what it sounds like. That was pretty interesting. He threw a grenade at two zombies, and when it exploded, two different sounds were played. One was a bell, sounded like it came from the gym, and one was a horn that sounded like it came from a boat outside of the map. This is really interesting, and hopefully some people will figure this out. I'm gonna try investigate myself tomorrow, and yeah, let's see where this goes. So hopefully you enjoyed that video. Sorry it was short, just wanted to call this out quickly before anyone else does. Probably people have already done it, but yeah, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.